All right, working on this Geo. Needs a fuel pump. We're gonna see how quick we can get it done. I need gloves. We're gonna get this done super fast. There's fuel coming out, so we know it's working, but I don't think it's pumping. I'm gonna get my zip. There it is. Got the new pump in the passenger side here. I don't think it's gonna come with a seal, but we got the pump anyway. Let's see what we got in the box first, make sure it's correct. Ow. Okay, there's that. Undo that. Pull this guy out. That's easy. Let's give that a shot. The OEM sock. Since we're here, we'll put this back on. If this works, I don't want to take it back out.